Hey guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial for Fashion Art Toronto. This one for Aadhe clothing, which is showing on October 24th. So this is actually a really cool makeup look. It is super easy. I say that with caution because everybody has different makeup skills. So what I like about this is there's only a few products needed. So you will need a kohl pencil, preferably in black. So a black pencil. You will need mascara. You will need your personal skin prep. Hopefully you have a good moisturizer that you can really massage in, maybe a little bit of a face oil, just to nourish and hydrate your skin. And then I would recommend your foundation, which we will apply on top of that face oil if possible. And then maybe some concealer to, you know, brighten the under eye just to make you look awake for the runway, nice and clean. We're going for a nice, natural, polished look with a very cool eyeliner effect. Okay, so we're gonna go through it together. First step is to prep your skin. So once you have your skin prepped, moisturized, and ready to go, I'm going to apply my foundation today with a sponge for a nice silky effect. So when you use a beauty blender type sponge, you want to make sure it's wet before you use it. So I'm gonna dip it. Once you have your foundation and concealer on, you can go ahead and start prepping your eyes for the look. Now, the highlight of the look is really doing a black eyeliner on the inner corner in the shape of a V, and then just extend it out a little bit as a straight line from the edge. We're not actually gonna line the full lash line. We will enhance the lashes with mascara. So the inner V and a strong outside. Now, if you don't have any makeup and all you have is a kohl pencil, then just do that step. If you do have some makeup, I would neutralize the eye area just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with some very natural eyeshadows. So I start with my eye base. So from there, you're going to do your eyeliner, and very simply, you're going to do a V. So from the very corner of the tear duct, bring it to the root of my lashes. I kind of lift up and twist in and then wiggle back and forth. And you want to make sure you're not getting your eyelids while you're doing that. And if you do, just clean it up. And that is essentially the look. When you're finished, go ahead and fluff out the brows, which I don't actually see my brow product here, but you're gonna wanna make sure you go through and comb and fluff out. If you need to do a little bit of filling, go ahead and fill in your eyebrows as well, and just make sure that they are groomed and shaped for the show. That's it. So please find me on Instagram if you have any questions at BePrettyMUA, and I look forward to seeing you on the runway.